Hey guys, today in this video, I'll tell you all about navigating health insurance during a monkeypox outbreak. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'll guide you on navigating health insurance during a monkeypox outbreak and what you need to know to maximize your benefits during this health crisis. I'll also tell you why it's crucial to have health insurance during a monkeypox outbreak or any other health crisis, and explain the key benefits of how it can protect you financially. First and foremost, health insurance provides essential coverage for medical expenses related to monkeypox. If you are diagnosed with the virus, your policy will cover hospitalization costs, diagnostic tests, antiviral medications, and any necessary treatments prescribed by your doctor. This can save you from bearing the full financial burden of expensive medical bills. Another important reason to have health insurance is that it gives you access to quality healthcare. With the right plan, you can seek treatment from top doctors and hospitals without worrying about the costs. This is crucial during an outbreak when you want to ensure you receive the best possible care. It also protects your savings. Without coverage, a serious illness can quickly drain your hard-earned money and retirement funds. But with a policy in place, you can use your savings for their intended purposes like buying a home, your child's education, or retirement planning. It's wise to get health insurance early in life when you are younger and healthier. This allows you to lock in lower premiums that will continue even as you age. Many plans also have waiting periods for pre-existing conditions, so getting insured when you are young means you can avoid these exclusions. Lastly, it also provides peace of mind during uncertain times. Knowing you have financial protection against medical emergencies allows you to focus on your health and recovery without added stress. This is especially valuable during a public health crisis when anxiety levels are already high. Now, let's talk about the basic plans and their features that you should look for in an insurance policy. First, it's important to understand that most health insurance policies generally provide coverage for monkeypox under their standard provisions for infectious diseases. This means that if you are diagnosed with monkeypox, your health insurance should cover hospitalization, diagnostic tests, and necessary treatments. To ensure you are fully protected, start by confirming that your health insurance policy is active and includes coverage for hospitalization. This is crucial as many policies integrate protection against infectious illnesses that require hospital care. Next, regularly reassess your coverage. With rising healthcare costs, it's vital to adjust your insured amount to meet your needs. Consider opting for a higher sum insured, especially if you live in a metropolitan area where medical expenses can be significant. Additionally, explore supplementary riders that can be added to your policy. These riders can cover out-of-pocket expenses for essential items like gloves and masks, which are often not included in standard plans. This can help reduce your overall costs during a health crisis. When selecting a health insurance plan, look for one that includes modern medical treatments. This is particularly important during outbreaks when advanced medical interventions may be necessary. If you are considering purchasing health insurance, do so early. This way, you can avoid waiting periods related to various medical conditions, ensuring you have immediate access to benefits when you need them. Lastly, prioritize plans that do not have room rent capping. This feature allows you to choose a comfortable room during hospitalization without worrying about additional charges. Also, consider including outpatient coverage, which can help manage costs associated with doctor consultations and medications, even if hospitalization isn't required. In summary, health insurance is a must-have in today's world of rising medical costs and unpredictable health emergencies. It safeguards your physical and financial well-being, giving you access to quality care and protecting your savings. So, if you don't have coverage yet, I strongly recommend exploring health insurance options to ensure you and your family are protected. So that's basically all about navigating health insurance during a monkeypox outbreak. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.